Oh, wow.
Oh, gosh. He's cracking some of them in half, almost.
He doesn't even know that.
So we're not talking high school kids here.
Oh, man. He's just knocking them off.
Oh, this is so fun to watch.
Yeah. Just cracking them to pieces. I'm looking at them. They're cracked.
I'm taking video of it. Oh, man.
Ever wonder why the cones are down at a construction site?
This
could be why.
Oh, some of them just shatter. Oh, gosh.
Oh, this is so fun.
Oh, gosh.
He just wiped them down. He's mowing them down.
This is Wipeout. Oh, man. This is Wipeout. This is cone Wipeout.
This is why the cones are not in place. Not high school kids.
Wow! Oh, crap.
Lisa, I couldn't do anything.
Ow.
Back up. I gotta back up. Lisa, I couldn't do anything.
Ow.
That was scary.
Well, no. I thought it would hit the bumper.
Oh my gosh, you destroyed that.
Well, we have video proof that there's damage to our car.
Oh!
Ah! Ah!
We planted it. We planted it.
Ah!
Well, that's it, Lisa.
Oh man, go boy! But we gotta pull over so and check out that tire,
No,
right?
it'll be fine.
That was scary, right?
Boom.
It's like boom.
Oh, no.
It's